82,000 Lego pieces. Do you know what Rocky says to his son before coming to work? He says, "Bye, son." Now when you're right just past these rocks, you'll see everyone's favorite Mama, Papa Tortoise, Bob and Gert shitting all their little eggs. And yes, they've been waiting for those eggs to hatch for the last 23 years.
It's a ride too.
Now, up ahead, you guys will see Lazy Pete the Green Dragon, who's been a long-time resident here at Legoland. He's made out of 253,000 Lego pieces. Now on your left, you'll see one of our newest models, the Rainbow Elephant. They're made out of 304,000 Lego pieces. And now you guys will meet my friend, Elsie the Elephant. Elsie stands at 7 feet tall and is made out of 282,000 Lego pieces. She's like saying hello and goodbye. Everybody wave hi, Elsie. Hi, Elsie.
That's a cute. Like, see how the flowers are Legos?
Bye, Elsie. We'll catch you later.
I put that in my backyard. That's fun. Yeah, I know. Oh my God! Look who's here.